Hello everyone, let's take a paper cup and make the marking like this as shown in the video using a pencil and a marker. Now take the scissors and cut the paper cup diagonally as shown in the video as if you are cutting some blades. Now we'll stick 2 eyes and a mouth. Our octopus is ready. Take a paper of pink color, cut the 4 triangles like this, make the markings and staple the triangles like this as if you are making some pyramid. Yeah, like this. Now take a scissor and cut the markings like this but carefully. Now curve the ends like this using a toothpick and your fingers. Yes, we have made a tent house and it is glowing. The process is really easy, you just have to follow it. Now take a bottle cap and make a circle on a black sheet like this. Make the head and the antenna. Do the same on the red paper and cut the circles out. Now fold them and stick them as the wings of the bug like this. Stick the eyes, stick the bug on the bottle cap, add the stone to the bottle cap and a push me down bug is ready. And it is looking really cute. Now take a sheet and make a circle like this and cut the circle out and fold it like this as shown in the video. Make more using more color of paper like this. Stick them together like this and take a straw and stick it onto the side. Yes, we have made an umbrella. You have to just follow the process. And thank you for watching.